Good afternoon. This is Uncle Tan again. While in Strand, Kota Damansara area. Okay, this is one of the four areas on top we have to do. Penthouse, then the other penthouse there, and two the area above the lift area. Okay, we have already done the full process of this work. Okay, first you see the joints to the glass, they have a lot of problem leaking here. Every time people come, they put silicone and all that, always fail. Okay, we have done our part, finish, and we give 10 years warranty. This is the finished product. Okay, this is the DTYK waterproofing, concrete waterproofing method. And you look at our floor traps, you can see the plastic or not, the PVC pipe already sealed. Okay, all right. Okay. Down there, you see the parapet wall has not been 2 more layers to go. The acrylic finish, that one already done. You see that parapet wall, so all has been waterproof. Okay, the finishing is something like that. All right, so this is the torsion membrane down there, which have already failed, and okay, so this is our work. Okay, now we are finished here. We're going to finish that today, then all the 4 areas maybe Monday finish there, then together we will do the water pump area. Okay, all right.